Today I'm at HGreg Lux Supercars dealership in Pompano Beach. I love this place. At times this video might seem like a sponsored post. I assure you it's not. It's just that I like this place so much, I don't have any complaints about it. It's gonna seem like it's a sponsored post. But I just came here organically. They don't know that I'm coming today, and I will show you around the facility. Every time I come to this place, by the way, I love it because the staff is very nice. Their inventory is crazy. Look at this, a row of G-Wagons like it's picking out candy.
Hello and good day. My name is Lionel Calvé. I'm here at HGreg Lux in Pompano Beach, Florida. And I'm pleased to say I'm here with Brad, and we have the most incredible inventory of supercars in the nation, in the entire United States of America. About 500 supercars on the floor, Porsches, Lamborghinis, Ferraris, Rolls-Royces, Bentleys. We have them all, over 500 supercars available for your consideration. Thank you.
So that was Lionel, and I really like that guy because his approach when he introduced himself to me was just so unique. I'm sitting in the car. What did he say to me? He comes up to the car and he says, "That blue is very good with your complexion," which my accent there is terrible, but I just love that it wasn't the typical, "Hi, can I help you, sir?" I like that guy. So this is a Bugatti Chiron from 2019. It's got about 300 miles on it, and they are asking $4 million. The interior color is interesting. I don't know that I would ever get this color personally, but I can see the appeal. It's certainly very attention grabbing. Oh, look at these Porsches. That is just spectacular. Just in general, this is sort of like Bruce Wayne's warehouse on crack. All of this is just spectacular to be standing here and taking it all in. It's kind of overwhelming how tightly packed these are all in here. This, I think, is a late 60s, early 70s Benz. I really like it. You can see it actually has the partition window separating the chauffeur from the passenger. That is cool. Oh, I love all this old wood and the inner horn rim on the steering wheel. Very vintage. Here in South Florida, the supercar market is huge. Places like Miami, Palm Beach, Fort Lauderdale. You're kind of amazed when you come in from other parts of the country how many supercars that you see in traffic with you at red lights. So the question is, where do they all come from? And when you come to a place like this today, you realize this is ground zero. South Florida has a lot of people that buy these cars, collect them, trade them. This is where they all come from. Special thanks to HGreg Lux for having me today.